What's up, guys? Rich the Urban Hunter here. Got something a little different today. It is currently 5:45 in the morning here on Saturday. Meeting up with there's a lake around Columbus called Hoover Reservoir, and there's a local legend over there. His name is Scott First, I think is how you pronounce his last name. Sorry if I butchered that. But we all know, if who are fishermen out there, that each lake is very different from the other, and he's going to show me how to troll out there for the first time. I've been fishing Hoover for about 3 years now, and looks like trolling is definitely one of the most successful ways of catching fish out there. So he's going to show me exactly how he does that, the technical stuff. I've tried it in the past and got a couple fish, but it's also very easy to get your lines tangled, and it's you have to pay attention to the water temperature, and if it's more hot water than usual, or if it's like peak summer, you probably need to add some weights to your lures or add some really deep diving ones. So there's just a lot of variables to get your lures right in front of the face of the fish down there, so they'll strike.
Kind of the same thing, except we've got a leader on there. So you've got no stretch line on here, right? This braid.
Okay.
So when you go to set these things, you want the drag on it
Real loose.
real loose.
Okay.
I mean, just about as loose as you can, just keep it from unspooling itself.
Okay.
Because when the fish hits, you want them to be able to take that
Take it a little bit.
if they
Okay.
need to. When you get these big blue cats on here,
Oh Jesus,
and
yeah.
they'll hit these things, and it's a train wreck.
Oh.
Do you use line counters?
Yeah, I've used them before. I don't own any, but
So get up here, zero it out, and we're not ready yet.
okay. You said the harnesses want to be at 30?
Well, I think so.
Okay.
It depends on the depth we end up fishing, but if they're at 12 feet like that, yeah. Crawler.
Okay.
Just took it.
Just let them dangle off?
Yep.
Okay.
I'll try this. We'll see if it makes a difference when.
The 2-hook?
What have you got on? You've got a. Let me see the hook.
It's kind of offset.
Yeah, that's a slow depth hook.
Oh, okay.
So I'll show you how that works.
You got one on here? Well, unless it's hitting, you think it's hitting bottom?
Yeah, you got one.
Oh, I think that's a fish, actually. Decent. Well, even got to keep our bait.
So,
You mean to start reeling these in?
yeah, go ahead.
Really?
Yep. And so people would buy the kits, not put them on, just have the stickers,
Ah, okay.
paperwork.
Oh, there's a fish on this one. I thought we might have been dragging a little crappie on here. Might be a decent crappie. See here in a sec. He bit it too. About another 9.5-er.
There, wait.
Yeah. Feels like a Saugeye, I'd say. About 15 feet. Nice, nice. I thought he was gonna get off right there. Well, that's the biggest saugeye I've ever caught.
Is it really?
Yeah. I've only caught like 6 of them or something.
So here's the purple lure.
Oh, I switched the rods. That's what it was. Okay. Look at that. The purple cashed out.
Dude, that's a walleye.
Is it really? It couldn't be a walleye, could it? I mean, it is a walleye, right?
Well,
look at the fins. There's no spots.
Exactly. Clear.
That's a walleye.
That's a walleye. We got to take a picture of that.
That's pretty amazing, huh?
I mean, we got to prove to ODNR that that's a walleye.
Yeah,
so,
yeah.
All right.
We got to document that well. I got it on video.
Do you really?
Yeah.
All right.
All right.
I think that's a crappie.
Yeah, I'd say so. There he is. Scoot across here. Looks like another little guy, maybe. He might be. Yeah, he's about.
Another little guy.
Yeah, that's probably right on the .9.
And we should catch crappies on here. This is
Yeah.
This is a notorious crappie hole.
Yep.
Trust me. Uh-oh.
He tried his best getting off there. He missed it. Missed it and got the wrong end of the treble hook.
Yeah, you won't do that again, though.
Nope.
We're at 18 feet of water.
That one's taking drag.
I swear there's something there.
There's a fish. There's a fish, yeah. little 10-inch crappie maybe. That might be a keeper. Come on in, buddy.
And usually this out here is full of nice crappies.
Yeah, he's a better one.
I mean, it really is. It's normally that.
That's about 10.5.
I can troll this like this and catch dozens of crappies, a few saugeyes, and I'll usually be pestered by cats. That's
about 10.5, I think.
Yeah.
Oh, he might touch 11 maybe.
Yeah.
Yeah, okay, perfect.
All right.
There we go.
Here's another one. Good company.
Going for the fresh fit water hat trick out here.
That's on the blue one.
Is it a white bass or? Oh, it's a crappie, dude. Right? It's a big crappie.
Great big crappie.
You want the net?
Kind of hooked badly.
Oh, hoist him up there. Oh, hey, that's the biggest crappie I've personally seen here.
Really?
Yeah. I catch a lot in the 11 to 12 range, and that never bigger than that. Nice big white crappie. Wow, he had some head shakes to him, didn't he?
Yeah, he did.
About 12.
12 incher.
Okay, so yeah, that's about right.
There you go.
That's how you know we've been seeing small fish all day when a 12 seems like a freaking horse. Now, yeah, there's something on there. Oh, it just jumped out of the water. I think it's a little crappie. Oh, there he is.
Uh-oh.
Get up, get up. Uh-oh, tangled up now. Or wait, what? That's a little Saugeye. Oh, he's adorable. He was a little ambitious going for that. All right. Maybe another little Saugeye. Yeah, there's something on there. Something on there.
Clear that other line.
Okay.
Kind of hold it.
I'd say I'm either in it or past it at this point.
Yeah. Okay, yeah.
I tried to go left. Oh, I think we're tangled.
We'll see. Nope.
Oh, he's just moving.
Oh,
okay.
yeah. How's it feel?
Oh boy!
Oh, that's a nicer one. Okay. You give me much chance to get the net, dude.
I thought he was smaller.
See, now he's got them spots on the dorsal. He's a Saugeye. Get your fiancée all ready for fish.
Yeah, she actually likes cleaning the fish, which is interesting.
Wow.
Yeah.
No wonder you're married. Oh, her proposed, huh?
Yeah. She hunts. She doesn't mind. She likes filleting the fish. I'm like, all right, if you like it, then you can do it.
Wow. Yeah, my brother-in-law out in Iowa did something like that with his wife. My sister.
Mm-hmm.
You know, she loves eating pheasant.
Oh, okay, cool.
Right. And so he goes, I'll tell you what, he says, you know, I like to hunt and everything, and
Yeah.
so I'll clean all the rabbits I kill, and you can clean all the pheasants. He never shot another rabbit after that.
Let's see. There's some there. Oh, crappie. It's helicoptering. Oh. Oh. Bonked him. Well, that'll wrap our video up today. Thank you guys for watching. The hot lure today was the one purple color that I picked out. It probably caught fish like 4 to 1 over the other colors today. So if you're looking for Saugeye in mid-May or early June now, looks like a purple's a great color for us. Maybe it is for you. Thanks for watching. We'll see you out there next time.